Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome to the van cave. We survived quartzite. Yay! Check it out. I'm not exactly sure where we kind of left off. I don't think he's seen the carpet yet. I get this from E-Trailer. It was factory cut for Sprinter. Had all the cutouts already. It's an insulated auto grade carpet, oil resistant, all that. That's the floor for now. But I had to put that down so I could finish the bottom rails. So all that's done, all the insulation's in. I'll piece that in when I do the paneling up there, but it's done. Now, here's where we're going. Yay. Roof rails. These are going to be the roof rails that go across to hold the solar, and we're going to get into the solar. So we're going to do this in a separate video. You'll see me mounting all this stuff. Solar, here we go. I'm proud to announce I'll be using all of Renogy products this year. The beast will be Renogy. Here, I'll show you. Renogy empowered. This is their 400 watt Eclipse premium kit. Now this kit, it's got the nice panels. They're smaller. These are 100 watters, but they're smaller than their standard. They're 15, they only weigh I think like 15 pounds each, so it's only 60 pounds. They're not real heavy like the regular solar panels. Smaller, easier to mount, and very efficient. They even claim they're really good in low light too, which is good. One thing Renogy offers, I mean, they got a whole staff, 800 number. You call them up. They got technical people that'll assist you in sizing your system, all of that. They are a worldwide company, very good reputation, and they run a lot of specials, good deals. Actually, I will have links down in the description that you can click over there and check out their website. Actually, we'll get over on their website too in just a minute. Also with the kit, this is the Eclipse Premium 400 watt kit and PPT charge controller, the Bluetooth module, whoop, mounting brackets, all the cabling, fuses, all that for mounting the panels. Plus, there's more. Wait, there's more. I'll be using a Renogy 3,000 watt pure sine inverter. Real happy about that. Power wise, that's going to be more than I need, but I wanted more than less. So, and all that's going to be mounted in the beast. These will be first. These are going to go up top on the van. I got some aluminum angle here. I'm going to build a frame to mount these in. That'll go up on top of the van. Once again, that's going to be in a separate video. Now, you want to know what kind of batteries, Russ? Hey, what kind? Let me show you. These are brand spanking new. These are Renogy 200 amp hour AGMs. And they're going to go underneath the bed in the big electrical box under the bed. They will sit above the axle. And while you're typing on there, why not lithium? Why not lithium? Well, bottom line is I fully understand the lithium, the science behind them, how you can draw them down, all that. What I can't understand and justify is the price. To spend that kind of money in batteries over a good chunk of this build wouldn't even happen. Lithium is just out of reach for me. Cost-wise, there is absolutely nothing wrong with AGM batteries. I've used them for years. They performed well, and those Renogys are highly rated. So anyway, everything's going to be all Renogy in the beast this year. You're going to hear a lot about this through all the travels. We're really going to be using this system pretty much daily. And we're going to be Renogy empowered. All right, well, let's do this real quick. Let's jump over the computer. I'll show you their website. I'll show you the kit this is and all that. Then we'll be back. All right, here we are, Renogy.com. Yay. Go here to products, solar kits. Internet's a little slow. Where are we? Here we go. 400 watt, 12 volt solar. No, it's a starter. Where are we at here? Okay, here it is. 400 watt, 12 volt solar premium kit. Okay, there's the monocrystalline. This is, and you click over here on the Eclipse. There it is. Wow, look at that. They got it on sale too. Anyway, here it is. Here's your Eclipse panels, the 400 or 40 amp MPPT controller, Bluetooth module, brackets, all the wiring right there. That's what that kit is that we're going to put on the beast. And then also with Renogy, they have all their different products here. Solar panels, kits, controllers, inverters, batteries, battery chargers, accessories, and whatnot. They also have calculators to help you calculate the size and whatnot. And also, don't forget to use their support system. Contact these guys. Look at the ratings. I mean, look, 5-star, 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 4-star, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, down here it says contact us. They're based in California. There's their sales, tech support. You can email them, call them, you name it. There it is. Just give them a holler. All right, let's go back outside. But anyway, Renogy, once again, I'll put links down in the description. There you go. Look at that. They got a 15% sale on all their kits right now. Check them out. All right, well, in closing, there you've seen their website. You know, these guys really are in the solar business. Not only vans, RVs, tiny homes, farms, you name it. They'll power it. They got the goods and the technical know-how. Alrighty, well, I'm going to get going on this frame here. And then this will be a separate video. We're going to start, but the very first thing I have to do first are the roof rails. So let's get going on that. That'll be next video. Okay, until then. Talk soon.